Today we're going to talk about complex fractions. Let's go ahead and define what a complex fraction is. The definition is a fraction that contains one or more fractions in its numerator or denominator. And we'll take a look at a couple of examples. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the examples in your notes. The first example shows a fraction in the numerator, 8/9 over 2. And the second one shows a fraction in the denominator of 3/4. We would read these as 8/9 divided by 2, and the second one 6 divided by 3/4. Remember, we can write whole numbers as fractions. We can write whole numbers over 1 to make them to a fraction. So what I want you to do now is to go ahead and rewrite these two examples, make the 2 into a fraction, and make the 6 into a fraction. So now your examples should look like this. It should have 8/9 in the numerator, and in the denominator 2 over 1. So now I have a fraction in the numerator and a fraction in the denominator. And the second one should look like this, 6 over 1 divided by 3/4. So let's go ahead and answer the next question. What operation is used with complex fractions? Well, if you said division, you're correct. So go ahead and write that in the blank. Okay, so on the back of your notes, we've got 3 examples. We have 3 division problems, and we're going to write them as complex fractions. So the first one is 2/3 divided by 4. So we want to write it as a complex fraction. That means I need a numerator and a denominator. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2/3 fraction bar 4, or you could say 4 over 1. Okay, second one, 5 divided by 5/8. Well, this time I'm going to put 5 over 1 in the numerator, and I'm going to divide it by 5/8. So now I have a fraction in the numerator and a fraction in the denominator. And the third one, 1/5 divided by 3/10. Well, I already have 2 fractions, so I'm just going to put 1/5 in the numerator, big fraction bar, and 3/10. And that's how you write division problems as complex fractions. Okay, here are your 3 got it problems. I want you to take these division problems and I want you to write them as complex fractions. 2/5 divided by 4/20 is the first one. The second one is 7/8 divided by 5/3. And the last one is 6/7 divided by 14/15. All you have to do is take those division problems and rewrite them as complex fractions. You do not have to solve anything. Okay? Good luck.